We've just acquired this lovely Volvo S60 diesel. This car is fully loaded with extras. Okay, to start with, we have front and rear park distance control with camera. We have active cruise control, which measures the distance between you and the car. The wheels, this car's just arrived, the wheels are about to be refurbed. If you see a few marks on them, they won't be there when you come and view the car. It's going to be done. It's the D3, reverse park sensors there. It's got the extra body styling kit, which they don't usually have, which is the satin silver. Finished in lovely grey metallic. Boot area is absolutely immaculate. Full leather interior is an extra 2. It's got electric memory seats, heated seats, electric mirrors, electric windows. Just start the car up. It's got cruise control, 6-speed gearbox. It's got the cam belt and water pump has been replaced. I forgot to mention that as well. This has got bliss. It's got driver assistance package, which front there tells you if you're getting too close to a car. This tells you if you're getting too close to the side of a car. What else have we got? We've got lane assist, bliss, cruise control there, aircon, climate control, which is absolutely blowing freezing cold. Satellite navigation, there you go there. I've heated seats, which I've mentioned, but there's 3-stage heated seats. Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack as well, and there you go, Bluetooth. It's got an aux and a USB. It is absolutely fully loaded, and these are factory extras which cost a lot more at the time. At DJH are full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.